Located on 10 gently rolling green acres 5 minutes to Historic Appomattox is this custom-built Victorian 2-story. Quality construction from top to bottom makes it easy to enjoy this fabulous floor plan featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and a large bright granite kitchen with bar and dining area. The formal dining room is spacious enough for 8 and shares a see-through fireplace with a comfortable living room. The laundry room is on the upper level with the master suite and Jack and Jill bedrooms. The office, main level, and the ensuite bath, second level, share the beautiful view out the turret windows. The ensuite bath also has a whirlpool tub, double vanity, and tile shower as well as a huge walk-in. The basement has a 4th bedroom and the 3rd full bathroom as well as more unfinished room for expansion. The bonus room above the attached garage measures 16 by 27 and is the perfect